Perhaps the most demanding and important jobs in any restaurant are bus persons, dishwashers, and maintenance persons. Safety is an extremely important part of your jobs. We want to emphasize the fact that employees are responsible for safety. No one else can do it for you. You're the only person who has control over your personal safety. If you see a safety hazard, correct it, even if it's not in your department. Dishwashers wash dishes, but this is an important job requiring skill and effort. Safe operation of the dishwashing machine is critical. You're required to maintain proper machine temperatures, proper use of chemicals, and a number of other specific job procedures. This job requires your full attention to the job.